Hi, I'm Dr. Joe Nyamtu, and I'm so proud to be involved with the Amolca Spanish translation of my award-winning video series. The president of the company, Rafael Cortez, and I have worked very hard to present really high-definition, step-by-step narrated videos in the Spanish language, and I hope they'll be very useful. The title of this topic is earlobe repair, and we're going to talk about fixing torn earlobes, which is extremely popular, and it's a very easy procedure to do and to learn, and it's one of those procedures that no matter what your specialty, somebody comes in with a torn earlobe and you can offer to be able to fix that for them. We're also going to talk about earlobe reduction, how to make a smaller earlobe, and we're going to talk about a little bit about repair of gauged earlobes for patients that expand their earlobes and how to deal with that. So we'll talk about the diagnosis and the various procedures, and I hope you enjoy it.